Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make club sandwich, a very simple style of making club sandwich. So now let's go. Here we have one egg. We are going to open our egg and add a little bit of salt. Now mix it very well. Now our fry pan, we add a little bit of oil and fry our egg. As you can see, our egg is ready. Now you take your bread, put a little bit of mayonnaise. Me, I don't like mayonnaise, so if you like mayonnaise, you can put it more than this. We now add our lettuce. We add our tomato. Add some cucumber. We now put our chicken breast. Put some mayonnaise on the top. We now add our egg. Now we add our beef. It's beef salami. Very simple. We now cover. It's ready to toast. Our sandwich is ready. You can see you cut it into two. Our toast machine is here. You can open your fire at 150 or 200. We add a little bit of ghee on the top. Now you put your bread on your machine and cover it. You can see now our club sandwich is ready. It's ready to eat. But if you like, you can toast your bread before you make it. But me, I make it before I toast it, so it depends on what you like. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.